In this video, we are going to do a real-world application and a long-term test on the Turtle Wax Headlight Restorer. This is a 10-year-old Swift which demonstrates oxidation and formation of yellow layer on the headlight that not only looks bad but also diffuses the headlight through with poor illumination. The headlight restoration kit comes with all the stuff you will need. Every product used in this video came in this box. To begin with, we have already washed and wiped the headlamp and we are not masking its surrounding as the bumper and the front end is going for a repaint after this. From here we can take this in two directions, where we can first use the clarifying compound, which is basically a rubbing compound that is used to cut down the oxidation while you rub and buff it around the complete headlight lens. If your headlight has got a heavy oxidation like this, then you might have to move ahead towards the second step with the use of polishing pads. We get two pads in the kit which are numbered back to back from 1 to 4, starting from the coarse to the fine cut. We also get a spray lubricant bottle in this pack for this polishing process. Make sure you generously use it to get that clear and smooth surface finish. We will start off with the first pad and then gradually move towards the second, third and finally the fourth pad. Just make sure you don't miss the affected areas, where I found we easily spend in between 1 to 2 minutes with each pad section, and the application was done in both horizontal and vertical pattern. I must mention these are really high quality polishing pads that can be reused for multiple applications. As we moved ahead in the process, we could already see the clarity coming up in the lens, which was to be followed by the next step again with the application and buffing of the clarifying compound. Now this can be better done with a machine polisher, but you can see the results here with manual application as well. After wiping the lens dry, it's time to start off with the base coat wipe. Remember, we have to do this after both the headlights are ready for the coat application, as we just get one pouch of base wipe in the pack. Turtle Wax has also included plastic hand gloves for this application, which makes the job easy. Within few minutes of drying of the base coat, the sealing wipe needs to be applied, which seals and protects the lens from future yellowing. Coming to the results, the video speaks for itself, where we can see the before and after condition of the headlight. The sealant coat takes around 24 hours to cure, so make sure you take care of that by avoiding washing and wiping the headlamps and driving the car in the rain. I will try to leave the product link in the description, but do note that this product won't work on the headlights with micro cracks and lens that have got internal fogging and deposits. People have mentioned that this treatment can last for years, where this footage is coming after 2 months of use, where we can see it is holding strong as the car is a daily driver. So that's it for this video, and I hope you guys have liked it.